You guys, we're out at one of our projects today over here in Allen. One of the things I wanted to talk to you guys about is before we had all this, we had a mixture of tile, vinyl, your older laminates, things like that. This is actually a custom hand-installed, hand-scraped wood floor. So as you can see, all the different character, you got some knots, you got some little grooves. You can see where they scraped the floor. So you have all this different character that goes into our wood floors. So biggest thing is after they were affected from the water loss, taking the insurance proceeds and using that along with their own out-of-pocket cash to upgrade to a custom hand-scraped wood floor. We did look at doing an engineered or a different style of floor, but with the current market prices, lumber has actually came back down a little bit more, so it was actually close to an engineered, but have an actual custom hand-scraped wood floors, which of course the biggest thing is you bite the bullet on these up front. Once you have that investment, now the prolonging and the maintenance to maintain these to a good looking wood floor from here on out is very affordable. It's a lot more affordable than you guys think. You have to be careful on using the right products on a real wood floor compared to like an engineered or a vinyl. But once we teach you guys how to take care of this floor, now this floor will last as long as this house will. We've seen these things that are 20 to 50 years old. And as long as you guys take care of them, take your basic maintenance on it, these things will last forever. And if y'all have questions about these floors, any of these different things, or if you happen to experience a loss, please feel free to reach out to us. We have multiple different people that can reach out to you. We can come out, do a site visit, take a look and go through and walk you through the process to make sure you're comfortable with it. Other than that, if y'all ever have anything, reach out to us via phone, text, and or on Facebook, and just reach out to us, let us know. Y'all have a good one.